This video will show you how to use the Andrews University online petition form, or ePetition. First, you can find the form by searching for ePetition on any Andrews web page. On clicking the form link, log in with Andrews' username is required. Then click on the green bar to submit a new petition. On the student petition creation page, scroll down to the section to fill in petition request details. Click on Select Petition Type to choose the type that fits your request. If unsure which to choose, click the blue circle with a question mark for help. Read the definitions of substitution, waiver, and other petition types, then return to choose the option you need. In this example, we'll click on the requirement substitution option. Later in the video, we'll return to the other options. Now, select the Andrews requirement type using the blue circle help if needed first. Most likely you'll need a course requirement substitution. For a substitute course, you must select the institution where you took the class you want to count for an Andrews course requirement. Start typing the name of the college or university where you took a class, and it will pop up for you to select if found. Continue then to enter info required on the term the class was taken, the year taken, the course abbreviation, number and title, and then your grade and the number of credits for that class. Then click into the Andrews course requirement pull down and start typing the course abbreviation and number to quickly get to it. You will need to fill in a short reason for your request. This might be simply, I took a class with similar outcomes. Provide more information just to be sure. If the transcript is not already submitted to Andrews, you'll want to upload a supporting document, usually the transcript, in the optional field below. Click Submit when sure you're done. Now let's return to petition type and choose the requirement waiver option. For the Andrews requirement type, select the option that applies to you. Let's select the category requirement, which is useful if you have a course that could apply to an Andrews core or general education undergraduate requirement. Then, under the Andrews category requirement, select the category that you are requesting consideration for. Enter the course abbreviation, the number, and the title in the requirement description box below. Then, fill out the application reason box, where you can list several courses taken if explaining how a category is filled with more than one transferred or AU course not articulating directly into this category. Lastly, if you have any supporting documents not already submitted to Andrews, you can upload them here. If you do not know what supporting files are applicable, click on the question mark for help again. Be sure to click Submit Petition when done, and then check your Andrews student profile in 1 to 2 weeks to see if the petition has been processed in your degree works. If not, contact your academic advisor for help. You are responsible to follow through, and this is best done within a couple weeks.